Hello. In this lecture, we will learn how to set up block pricing following two major steps. First, we will create the block prices, and in the second step, we will update the product pricing method from list to block. And finally, we will do a demo together. So let's say that we have a company called AW Computing that offers a service of toner recycling, where toner cartridges are picked from an office location. Most of the cost for pickup is in time and travel, so AW charges the customer enough to cover its transportation costs, even if it will recycle only a few toners. However, if the customer recycles a lot of toners, AW give them a better deal since they have already made the trip. Here is how AW Computing wants to price their toner recycling service. For a small pickup service where the quantity is between 1 to 20 toners, the price is going to be $25. And for a large pickup where the quantity is going to be from 21 to 50 toner, the price is going to be $35. So without any further ado, let's start setting up block pricing together. Block pricing is related to the product object, so first we navigate to the toner recycling product. If you are using a developer org, you will find the products within the All Product List view under the Product tab. Otherwise, you can create a similar product and follow along. So under the All Product List view, we search for the toner product. And then from there, we navigate to the Related tab. And under the Related tab, we go to Block Prices, and then you want to click Edit All. So we have the first service, the small pickup. We will call it small pickup. So it's from 1 to 20 toners, so the lower bound is going to be 1. As far as the upper bound, it's going to be 21. Remember, although small pickups only supports 20 toners, you enter the first quantity not supported. So we add a second line. We call it large pickup. So it's from 21 to 50 toner. Similarly, the lower bound is going to be 21. And the upper bound is going to be 51. We add the prices. So for the first one is $25 and for the second one is $35. Once you do that, you hit save. Notice that you also have a button next to the block prices called New instead of Edit All. Actually, you can use the same screen to create each of your block prices, the small pickup, large pickup, similarly by giving it a price name, a lower bound, upper bound, the price, and the price book by linking it to the standard price book. But by using the Edit All, you get the chance to create all your block prices at once. So that's for the first step. The second step, we need to tell Salesforce CPQ to use our new block prices instead of list price. So by default, the pricing method for a product is list. So we will change it to block. Then you hit save. Excellent, you have managed to set up block pricings for the toner recycling product. Right now, let's pretend to be a sales rep and add toner recycling to a code to see what happens. So you navigate to codes, and then you search for the code number 14. Again, if you're following along in a developer org, you'll find the code ready. Otherwise, you can create a code and follow along the same steps. And from there, we hit edit the lines. And we search for our product, toner recycling. Then you hit select. So the code line editor shows the list price of the toner recycling is 25, which is the price of our first tire. since the quantity is 1. So right now, let's change the quantity from 1 to 4 and see what happens. Then click calculate. The price remains the same because we are still in the first block where the price is 25. Let's right now update the quantity to 30 and then hit calculate. As you can see, the price right now has changed to a total of $35 because we have moved to the second tier that costs $35. If you click here, you will see also that our pricing method is set to block. That's it. In this lecture, we have managed to set up block pricing for the toner recycling product. We learned how to create block prices and we saw how it looks like in the configurator. You now have a product using single price book, but with different prices based on quantity. Thank you for watching. If you are excited to dive deeper, explore the full course in Master Salesforce CPQ today, use the link in the below description to get the full course, who happens to be a bestseller on Udemy. You will get a lifetime access, a certificate of completion, and exclusive content. See you there.